8P51JJ. Join with video. Just allow me to the meeting. Arrive. I am slowly joining. Slowly. Very easy problems in remember. So that
Sir,
Yes.
sir, actually, I think 10 seconds, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Let me
I think
do it. Let me. Why it's a 10 seconds?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. I did wrong.
Don't, just why it's 10 seconds?
1 minute, sir.
The stone is thrown
Time of,
vertically up from the
yes, sir.
ground.
1 minute, sir. Time of ascent is equal to time of descent.
Explanation is
Yes, sir. V is equal to U plus A into. I don't know it's correct or not, sir.
No,
Same.
just explain it. Sorry, it is correct, but
Shall
how?
I write, sir?
Yes, how it is? How it is? I want to know
I'll.
how 10 seconds. How it is 10 seconds?
1 minute, sir. I'll note down.
I cannot see.
text box.
Text box. I am not.
Yes. I kept it somewhere there. Wait.
Here I think somewhere.
I'll keep it here. You can see that.
Yeah, time of ascent equal to time of descent.
Descent.
Yeah, that is actually. So time of ascent equal to time of descent. So here they gave the time of ascent, which is 10 seconds. So the time taken by the stone to reach the ground is, so basically one time of ascent is this TA, time of descent is the time required from the maximum height to the ground. So both are same. So we have already proved that time of ascent TA is equal to TD. So he gave the 10 seconds. So which is our TD also 10 seconds. You don't need to do any problem here. Okay. So time of
Yes, sir.
ascent must be equal to time of descent. So they gave the time of ascent. You should simply tell the answer. Same answer,
Yes, sir.
10 seconds. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now tell me this one. Easy. Bus accelerate uniformly from the rest and acquire speed of 30 kilometers per hour in 10 seconds. Acceleration is asking. Do it on the board first. You should write, guys. Here, do it. Satvik writing. From the rest, explain means initial velocity 0. Velocity, yeah, speed is 36 kilometers per hour. Time is 10 seconds. Acceleration is equal to V minus U by T. Correct. So 36 kilometers minus by 10 seconds.
Sir, we'll get 1 minute, sir. 1 meter per second square will get, sir. Shall I tell?
Yeah, yeah. 36, you have to convert here
36,
kilometer per hour into
36 into 1000 by 3600 meter per second square. then a time t then v is equal to 1 meter per second square, sir.
Okay. So
T is
36
equal
kilometer
to
per
10
hour,
seconds square.
meter per second. How much?
Acceleration is equal to v minus u by t, sir. 10 minus 0 by t is equal to, we'll get 1 meter per second square only, sir.
Okay. 5 by 8 into 10. So velocity is 10. So 10 by 10 by 10 you are getting actual how much you are getting? 1 no?
1 meter per second.
Only 1 meter per second square, right?
Yes, sir.
So when you convert this into, okay,
Everything can.
Yes, sir.
when you convert, so when you convert meters, kilometer per hour into meter per second, what you need to do? You need to divide, you need to multiply 5 by 18, right?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because 36 kilometer is how much? 1000 meters, right? By hour is 60 into 60. Two
Yes,
zeros,
sir.
two zeros cancel. So you're gonna get 36, 6 1 ja, 6 6 ja, right? 6 1 ja, 6. You're gonna get only 10 here. So 10 meters per second. So you know the velocity. So A is equal to V minus U, but U is 0 anyway. T. So 10 by 10 is equal to 1. 1 meter per second square. Okay. How about down one? The other one. A body thrown up with the initial velocity reaches the maximum height of. So maximum height is given as 50 meters. Another body with a double mass thrown up with a double initial velocity reaches the maximum height. Very easy.
Yes, sir.
A body thrown up with the initial velocity reaches the maximum height h1, let us say.
What are they asking?
Okay.
Maximum height of.
A body thrown up with the initial velocity, let us say initial velocity u1 is equal to u. Another body with a double mass, we don't care mass here, double mass thrown up with a double initial velocity. So u2 is how much? 2u, right? And what is the height? h2. What is the maximum height formula? H is equal to, we got it formula, right? U square by 2g. This formula came from the third equation of motion. Use this formula to get h2.
Yes, sir.
u1 is there, u2 is there, h1 is there, h2 you have to calculate it. That's it. Yeah, you can write it.
Body thrown.
What happened, guys?
Sir,
Easy. You're taking so much time. Use that formula then to get it. H is directly proportional to the U square. Proportionals you did mathematics.
yes, sir.
H1 by H2 is equal to U1 square by U2 square.
Sir, sir, 1 minute, sir.
Yes.
Sir, is that 200, sir?
I don't know answer, but yeah, you just need to tell me how you got it.
V square is equal to U square.
50 by H2. H1 is given. U1 is how much? U. U square. U2 is how much? 2U means 4U square.
Yes, sir.
So 200, yes. H2 is equal to 200 meters, correct. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Try this problem too. The last problem.
Yes, sir.
Bodies drop from a height 39.2 meters. Hmm? The bodies drop from the height. Height is given after it cross off the distance. Acceleration due to gravity ceases to act. The body will hit the ground with the velocity. So he's asking velocity basically. So acceleration due to gravity ceases to act means it's basically going downward, right? It's almost when it reaches the ground, it's going to zero. No gravity.
Sir,
Yes.
height is equal to 39.2, no, sir.
Yes.
Initial velocity 0.
Yes. That's correct.
H is equal to, then we'll take 39.2 by 2, no, sir.
Yes. That's correct.
H is equal to 19.6 meters. V square minus U square is equal to 2GH.
I didn't get it. H is equal to?
Sir, we'll get 1 minute, sir. H is equal to 39.2. We'll get no, sir.
Okay.
1 minute,
After
sir.
it crosses, after it cross half the distance.
Yeah, by 2 we can take no, sir. H is equal 39.2 by 2. Then we'll get 19.6
But it is asking
m
what? The
meter.
body will hit the ground after it crosses. Body is dropped from certain height.
Yes, sir.
From like total height is given.
Yes, sir. We'll 1 minute, sir. Then we'll get V square minus U square is equal to 2GH. No, sir. I took like this, sir. V square is equal to 2 into
Half this.
9.8 into 19.6. Something 1
Yeah,
minute, sir.
v square minus u square is equal to
2GH.
2g
H.
h. U is 0. V square is equal to 2gh. That's it. You should just
Yes, sir.
substitute it. Nothing. You need to use y2s.
Yes,
2
sir.
into g, you can take 9.8.
19.6 meter per second square, sir.
H is 39.2.
19.6, sir.
Square root. Did you do the square root, that one? Velocity is
Um,
asking, right? Square root of that.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Um,
19.6 meters. Meters.
9.8.
19.6, I think, sir.
So 9.8 into 2, how much?
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. 1 minute, sir. I'll just come in.
19.6
Sir,
into
sir.
39
Tell, sir.
point.
Tell, sir. Sir, I did not listen, sir. Tell, sir.
No, no. Here I just multiply. V square is equal to, I'm multiplying. That's it. 2GH,
No,
2GH. 19.6 into 19.6, how much?
19.6.
No, actually, I
1 minute,
think,
sir.
no, no, let me check. 19.6 into 19.6 into 2, I think, right? 39.2,
No,
I can
sir.
write it 19.6.
9.8 we have to take, no, sir.
But root, I have to find root of this. So when I do the root, I can bring the one of the 19.6 out into root 2. 19.6 into root 2 answer.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
So I think you can practice more problem. Use there are a lot of books there. Any physics books or ninth class, 10th class, doesn't matter. Get the problems from the ninth, 10th, is 8th. You see the chapter motion in a, like, kind of mechanics chapter, basic mechanic kinematics chapter,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and solve the problems so that you will be free. I mean, you when you practice more problem, you don't have any kind of, like, scare for this topic.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So I think I will move to the next chapter, which is
Okay.
actually motion in a plane. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
What is the motion in a plane? What we are going to discuss when I say motion in a plane?
Yes, sir.
Motion. So now actually we discussed motion in a. Let me stop this. Yeah. Are you guys there? Yeah. Yeah. So motion in a plane means the board, basically whatever we discuss so far, we were the object is in one direction. Motion in a straight line. The motion is constrained to a particular direction. It could be x, y, z.
Yes,
But
sir.
now when I say motion in a plane, my object is moving in a plane. Which plane?
Yes, sir.
You can ask me which plane, sir. It could
Yes, sir.
be any plane like XY plane, YZ plane, ZX plane. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in that case, we are allowing the object to move in a particular plane.
Yes, sir.
So if it moves in a XYZ plane also there, 3D, okay?
Yes, sir.
If the object move in 3D motion, if the object has a 3D motion, it has XYZ plane coordinates. If it move in a one of the plane XY or YZ or ZX, it should have a two coordinates. Okay. So we are
Yes,
going
sir.
to discuss in this chapter mostly like a vectors,
Yes, sir.
IJK, okay, and projectile motion also. When you throw an object upward direction, it has two. The object go upward and it also go towards the in forward direction. Suppose you throw an object with an angle theta to the horizontal direction. Suppose you throw
Yes, sir.
you just drop the object from the aeroplane. So that is
Yes, sir.
also kind of plane motion. It doesn't come vertical, right? The plane is moving forward direction. When you drop the object downward, it follow the parabolic path.
Yes, sir.
Parabolic means, when I say parabolic means definitely it has a two coordinate, two, it's a plane.
Yes, sir.
Or when you throw an object, if you throw vertically upward, one direction. But if I throw in a angle with an angle theta to the horizontal direction, like,
Sir.
then it has two coordinates x and y, yz, zx. So we
Yes,
are
sir.
going to discuss in this chapter mostly vectors and projectile motion, and we're going to discuss basic stuff. Then moving into laws of motion next chapter. I'm going to spend a couple of classes, maybe 2 or 3 classes, motion in a plane, maybe then moving into the laws of motion. And these two chapters are very important. They're linked together too. So understand concepts, forget about the exam, forget about the anything, but the try to understand the concept. What is actually motion in a straight line? Motion in a plane, what we are going to do? Laws of motion, what we are going to do? You should understand the concept. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Once you understand the concept, it is easy to digest anything. It is easy to attack any type of problem. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
okay, I think we complete today class is over. Uh, but yeah, we have to be very careful about the schedules. I mean, whenever you are free, I am busy. Whenever I am busy, free, you are busy. So I think
Ah, sure, sir.
it's kind of like, tough. But yeah, we have to. If you are a busy, you should send me message advance. If I am busy,
Okay,
also
sir.
I have to send my duty to you. Sometime if I
Yes,
forgot,
sir.
you can remind me. Is there a class today, sir? Also, okay.
Yes, sir.
So otherwise, it's a tough time. Actually, this 9 o'clock time is always tough time. But we'll try at least some classes, maybe later on see. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
okay, thank you. Good night.
Sir, which time means is good for you, sir? Means which time, sir?
Let's again. What about your schedules? Do you have any schedule about 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock evening,
Sir,
8 to?
sir, till 6:30 I'm free, sir. From 6:30 to 9 I have two classes, sir.
Because then I can't, right? So I come
Okay.
I come from office definitely 6 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
So again the same. I have a class 6 to 7, say 6:15 to 7:30. I have a online class.
Yes, sir.
So then it doesn't work. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
offline class. Sorry, it's offline class is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay. Good night. We'll see. We'll adjust it. If not, if doesn't work, whatever, few classes at least. I mean, I just
Yes, sir.
want you to free, like, feeling like, physics is very easy. That's what I just want to
Yes, sir.
make that you. Later on, you can try, do some problem. That will be fine. I just want to
Yes, sir.
make you comfortable with physics. Physics is such a great subject, which is easy, but only thing you have to read textbook. Without
Yes, sir.
reading textbook, you don't get concept. If you don't have a concept, you don't attack any problems. So
Yes,
you
sir.
think
Shall I read
always,
NCERT, sir?
yes, yeah, yeah,
Shall I read NCERT, sir?
yeah, yeah. NCRT books, yes, of course. NCRT books, eighth
Okay, sir.
class you can read, of course, because you last year. I don't know how much you. NCRT books, state books are both are same, but NCRT books is better if if you can able. I mean,
Yes, sir.
uh, just read it, underline it. If you have any doubts, you can ask me.
Okay,
8th,
sir.
ninth, 10th, these three classes, if you expert physics, NCRT books, you will be number one. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so read. That's the main at this stage, at the ninth, 10th, reading habit helps you a lot to understand concept. If you don't
Yes, sir.
read, tough. Read textbooks. Textbook has everything. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right, right. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, sir.
Right.